Hello everyone, today in this video we will see what are inline elements, what are block level elements, and what is the difference between inline and block level elements. And after that we will see what are void or empty elements in HTML. First we will see what is block level elements. So these are the elements which starts on the new line and take up the full available width. Examples are div, paragraph tag, section tag, header, and H1 to H6 tag. So these elements basically take up the full width of the browser window, and the next element will start on the new line. If here we define one div, it will take full available width, and after that, if we define a paragraph, it will start on the new line. So you can set the width, height, margin, and paddings of these elements, and they actually creates the structural layout on the page. Like if we define the width, then it takes the full available width. If we define a div, then it takes the full available width. And if we write the paragraph tag after that, then it will be rendered on the next line. So these structure will be created like div on the first line and another div on the second line. So these tags define the structure of the web page. So they actually create the structure layout on the page. Now second is the inline elements. So they do not start on the new line basically, and they only take up the required width. Examples are span, anchor tags, image tags, and strong tags which we use to show a bold text. So you can't set the width and height normally, and they flow within the text. So they are generally used to style a small part of the text, which this is very important. Basically, here you can see the example where we are using a paragraph tag, which is the block level element. So inside that we have a strong tag. Uh, this strong tag is used to style the part of this whole text. So they this text actually takes the only the required width, which is the width taken by this inline text only. So they generally used to style the small part of the text. So the main difference between inline and block level element is the block level elements take the full available width. On the other hand, inline elements take the only required space, required width, and they are generally used to style small part of the text. Now we will see what is void or empty elements in HTML. So these are HTML elements that do not have a closing tags and can't contain the content. They are self-contained and they perform a single purpose. Examples are BR tag, which is used to break the line, and the another one is HR tag, which is used to draw a horizontal line. The another one is the image tag to show the image on the web page, and another one is the input field to draw a input field on the web page, and a link tag is used to link the style sheet. So these are all the examples of void elements, basically because they do not have any closing text like closing br tag or closing. So this will throw an error if you use a closing br tag with the opening br tag. So this is a wrong HTML content, and these are self-contained. Basically, they do not wrap any content inside them. So image tag is used to render this image only. There is a no content inside image tag. Like there is a no closing tag also, and there is a no wrapped content inside them. So these are self-contained. Like the content or the purpose of image tag is used to render the image, and break tag directly breaks the line and start the content on the new line. Horizontal tag draw a horizontal line on the web page and they start the another content on the new line. So the one important point to note is image tag is an inline tag also, and also it is a void element because it do not have a closing tag.